Welcome back and Happy New Year! Yeah, it's actually the 1st of January as I'm filming this. All the videos in the previous few weeks were filmed actually before Christmas. Anyway, we had a secret Santa with a family and somebody was very mindful to gift me a Lego Nutcracker. And if you follow my channel, you know that I often build Lego jigs to test chips or to build prototypes for my projects. So let's unbox that thing and build it. Enjoy! What we have here is the Lego Nutcracker number 40640. It seems to be safe enough and recyclable. It obviously contains a lot of small parts. Warning, is not suitable for the ages between 0 and 3, and I have no idea what that icon means. It's made in Denmark, Mexico, Hungary, China and the Czech Republic. And you can build a slightly different model. I think we saw that on the front, maybe just the face. We will see. Nothing remarkable on that side. And on the back we see it actually has a function, though I doubt it can really crack nuts. But anyway, we open the box here. And that's exactly what we will do now. A satisfying crack, and then let's see. Yeah, you just rip it open and out comes, well, the parts. Not too many. And, well, the manual. More parts. And even more parts. And that's it. So let's look at the first pages of the manual. So there is a part separator included, and yeah, my bags here are made of plastic and they're not labeled, okay? So let's continue to page 4. Okay, we should open a bag and pour out all the pieces. The question is which bag? And we'll have to do a little bit of guesswork, but I see that is a very distinctive big part and it's looking like that one. So we will open that bag and do the first steps. Okie dokie. Oh, let's change the angle a little bit. Yeah, that's better. And we don't rip it open. We cut it open. Aha. Okay. You know what? Let me zoom down a little bit more. And then I need a special part in black, which appears to be in another bag. Yeah. And the third part here is obviously in the next bag. Yeah, they don't make it easy. Okay, now I have two possibilities, two variants. I will only build one. Yeah, continuing with the next page, I guess. By the way, here's that part separator. That's it. That's how you build the other face, if you want to have the other face. And for building the other face, there are more parts. Or maybe there are also some spare parts. I don't know. And yeah. Then you have a Nutcracker. That's it for today. Here you have your Nutcracker in all its glory. And yeah, not really for cracking nuts, but don't get your finger in here. Yeah, the backside with the mechanism. yeah, quite nice model. Quite easy to build, of course. I mean, it's made for kids, but yeah. Nutcracker. So, till next time, bye.